How to plank properly for beginners, step-by-step tutorial. Do you know which exercise effectively targets your core, strengthens your entire body, including your spine, trapezius, abdominal muscles, and rhomboids? It's the plank. In this video, I will guide beginners on how to perform the plank exercise correctly. The plank is widely regarded as the ultimate exercise because it engages multiple muscle groups throughout your body. Another advantage is that you can do it anywhere, and it only requires a few seconds or minutes for advanced individuals. While the core is the primary focus, the plank also involves your legs and shoulders, which is why many fitness experts recommend daily planking. However, mastering the proper technique for planks can be challenging, as it requires attention to detail. If you want to experience all the toning benefits of this isometric exercise, it's important to invest time in learning how to plank correctly. Here is how you should begin. Standard plank. Start with a standard plank. The standard plank, also known as a high plank, involves keeping your arms straightened and your hands flat on the mat instead of resting on your forearms. While forearm planks are more commonly practiced, they can be slightly more challenging to execute with proper form. However, you can certainly give forearm planks and other variations a try at a later stage. To do the standard plank properly, follow these steps. Start by lying on a mat, facing down with your belly on the ground. Flex your feet so that your toes are touching the mat, ensuring they are positioned closer together than the width of your hips. Place your palms on the mat right beside your shoulders. Before initiating the movement, take a deep breath. As you exhale, begin pushing your body up, straightening your arms while keeping your elbows locked to enhance stability. At the peak of the movement, your body should form a straight line, avoiding any sagging of the hips and ensuring your belly is pressed against your spine. Maintain a neutral position for your head, making sure your chin neither juts forward or tucks towards your chest. When performed correctly, the plank exercise activates multiple muscles simultaneously, providing a sense of engagement throughout your body. However, if you experience discomfort in your back or shoulders, it may be necessary to adjust your positioning. Forearm plank. While the high plank activates multiple muscle groups, the forearm plank is favored for its superior impact on the core muscles, making it the more popular variation. Consequently, it is also more demanding. However, if you have already mastered the high plank and seek a greater challenge, you can attempt the forearm plank by following the steps below. Begin by lying on a mat with your abdomen facing down, ensuring your feet are positioned closer than hip-width apart, with flexed toes touching the mat. Instead of resting your palms, press your entire forearms onto the floor and elevate your body. Distribute your weight between your toes and forearms, ensuring that your elbows align directly beneath your shoulders. You can either interlock your hands or keep them parallel, similar to the high plank position. Maintain a straight line with your body, engaging your core muscles and preventing your buttocks from sagging. It is crucial to maintain a neutral head position to avoid any potential neck injuries. As you hold the plank, focus on your breathing, avoiding breath holding or shallow breathing. Strive to breathe naturally throughout the exercise. Once you have mastered the correct plank form, you can gradually increase the duration. Initially, even 30 seconds may present a challenge, but as it becomes easier, progressively extend the duration by adding 5-second increments. Eventually, you will be able to sustain the plank for a full minute or longer, maximizing the benefits of this exercise. Aim to perform this routine at least 6 times per week and consistently push yourself to reach new goals. By doing so, you will not only strengthen your core and enhance your stability muscles but also improve your posture and metabolism. Thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.